Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, USB board, system board, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable from both of the connectors on the webcam board and partially remove it from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Using a flat, non-conductive tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure, and lift the webcam board off of its alignment pins on the display enclosure. Place the webcam board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the webcam board from the static dissipative bag. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Connect the display panel cable into both of the connectors on the webcam board and route it through the routing channel on the display enclosure.